You'd never ever guess where I got this. I didn't know they sold them, to be fair. Okay, welcome back to my shed. Today I've got a Black & Decker 400 watt jigsaw. Now, you'd never guess where I bought this. Brand new, you know, all legit, wasn't second hand or anything. You'd never ever guess where I got this. I didn't know they sold them, to be fair. But anyway, I saw it in between the bacon grill and the Spam. I thought, what's this? And how much was it? It was £9.99 for a Black & Decker 400 watt jigsaw. It includes its own jigsaw blade. So I thought I'd do an unboxing of it. Let's have a look what it says it's got. It just says 400 watt compact jigsaw with blade. What's it say? Depth of cut 65mm, 6mm and 10mm, 3000 reps per minute. That's the speed of cut, and it's got a bevel left or right if you want to cut at an angle. And like I say, 400 watt. It's got a 2-year guarantee. You can't go wrong for £9.99, can you? So anyway, let's see what's in the box. What's it got? What does it need? Get that out of the way. So, is this recording? Yeah. So, let's have a look. We get the actual machine, plastic, and you get, what else is here? That's it for the box. Put that box there with the rest of them. Let's see what this is. It just says Black & Decker. Don't know what it is. Is it a warranty or something like that? Original instructions. If you want to read all that, just pause this. And there we go. This is something else. What's this? This addendum should be kept with full manual for future reference. So in the box we get you don't get a dust bag with it. Hang on a minute. Am I missing something here? Have I been robbed? Or is this in an obvious place that I cannot see? Oh look. Yeah. I would have missed that. There's the blade for it. That's what I was looking for. There's the blade. So rough cut, but it's okay. Depends what you're cutting. I'll put that there like that. There's not a lot to show. It's on a plug. It's not cordless, obviously, for $9.99. You wouldn't get a battery for $9.99. So, what's the lead length? You've got, I'd say, 6 foot, 2 meters of length. You've got the little Allen key. See them Allen keys there? So that'd be for the bevel, which way you want, not a bevel, but angle where you'd want to go, that way or that way. It's got, you have to push. It's got like a fail safe, so you have to push. Oh no, it's not a fail safe. It's a trigger lock. So you can hold it so it stays on, so it saves you pressing all the time. So that's not bad. And then press it again and it comes off. So that's all there is really. $9.99. Oh, I didn't tell you where I got it from, did I? I got this from Farm Foods. Yes, Farm Foods. Did you know they sold Black & Decker? There was also a corded Black & Decker sander. You know, the big flat ones, you know, the chunky ones. I think that was $14.99. So I didn't know they sold electrical stuff. They must have just do it now as an extra thing kind of thing. But yes, I went in there for some butter unusual stuff, some butter, some frozen food, and I saw this and I thought to myself, yeah, £9.99. It's ideal. It's nothing fancy. It's one of these where you can throw in your bag or throw it on a shelf. You can abuse it till it breaks. It might not break. And that's it. Black & Decker 400 watt jigsaw. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like the video, share the video if you like. Make a comment. Have you found anything that you've thought, hey, hang on, didn't know they sold these things here? Because this, I was shocked, to be fair. You know, the last place you expect to buy a Black & Decker jigsaw is farm foods. Okay, till the next time. Take care. Bye-bye.